Hi everyone, Chris at Torking here. Today's product highlight is our QU40806 1350 by 1330 series upgraded drive shaft. This shaft is unfinished and is your lowest cost solution to an upgraded drive shaft custom fit to your rig. They come with heavy wall DOM tubing already welded to the CV, so all you need to do is cut it to final length, weld the slip end on, and balance the shaft. You need a local shop or some refined skill here to do this yourself, or we can get our measurements from you and finish it for you. We can help you get the right measurement for our work, but your local shop may do things a bit different, so it's always best to check that measurement with the shop doing the work. For a stronger shaft than your original unit, you just can't get more bang for your buck than this one right here at Torking. Buy the QU40806 at torking.com on the web, or give us a call and we can help you find exactly what you need. Our link is in the description below, and while you're looking there, give us a like and a comment. It really does help us reach more people just like you. Then subscribe to see more of our product highlights. We've been around for over 30 years and plan to be around at least that much longer. Thanks for watching, and good luck keeping your rig on the road.